What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the iPhone XR in the color product red, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the unboxing. So first off, on the front you can see we have a picture of the iPhone XR. On the side it says iPhone in the color product red, and on the top is the Apple logo, once again in the color product red. After removing the plastic from the box and lifting the lid for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of literature, a SIM card removal tool, as well as some Apple stickers. Next is the iPhone XR. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side for a minute. Also included is a charging brick, some AirPods, and the charging cable. And lastly, the iPhone XR itself. After removing the plastic from the back, I have to say that it looks really nice, real shiny and glossy. And of course, as you can see, the front is all display with the removal of the home button. On the right side is the power sleep wake button, and on the left side is the mute switch and the volume up and down buttons. On the back is a 12 megapixel wide angle camera with the aperture of f1.8, and located on the bottom are two speaker grills as well as the lightning port. The iPhone XR is available in product red, yellow, white, coral, black, and blue. However, I think product red looks the best. The iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch all-screen LCD multi-touch display with a resolution of 1792 by 828, which equals a PPI of 326. It's also IP67 water resistant with a depth up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It's also going to come with the A12 Bionic chip with Apple's next generation neural engine. The device's camera is also capable of 4K recording at 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. The iPhone XR seems like a pretty cool size phone. It does fit in between the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XS. So we'll see what the 6.1-inch LCD screen will do in comparison to the 6.5-inch OLED screen on the iPhone XS Max, which I also do have that device. So I will be doing a full comparison and review between the iPhone XR and the iPhone XS Max. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. So far I'm really liking the look of it, I like the size of it, and Apple makes one heck of a LCD screen. So we'll see how it is in comparison to the OLED screen. Anyways guys, that's going to do it for me in this video. If you would like to see me cover anything specific on the iPhone XR in the review, let me know down in the comments section below. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.